Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for our Infiflex series. I'm Jackie, I'll be hosting today. Stephanie will not be joining us, so our topic is going to be a little bit different, but we're still going to look at Google Workspace and just discuss what the difference is between Gmail and an actual Google Workspace environment and how you can secure it. So just quickly, what we're going to talk about today, a brief history about Infiflex, an overview of Google Workspace, what app sheets are and what it even means, and some advanced security features. So just quickly, Infiflex, we were established in 2010 in Kolkata, India, with a vision to transform information technology in the cloud environment. So over the last 10 years, we've provided business consultancy and solutions, helping our clients across many different industry verticals in achieving their goals and competing successfully in the global market. So we have operational presence here in the US. I'm specifically located in Florida, and then we also have headquarters in New York and Texas, but also the UK, Malaysia, Singapore, and then 7 cities in India. So we have a large customer base spread across the globe. And if you want more information, you can always go to our website, infiflex.com, to learn more details about that. That being said, with us being the premier partner of Google, we're Google offers its customers Google Workspace. So we're able to offer expert consultation, setup, deployment, training, and support services, and also custom configuration. So we have over 100 Google certified associates here at Infiflex that are employees, and we're always looking for ways to help our clients. And just to give you an idea, here are some of our valued clients as well. So we have over 50 Google Workspace clients, and that's not including the other services that we offer. And this is combined nationally and internationally. So businesses choose Google Workspace for several different reasons. Really, the most common one I hear personally is just collaboration. So Google Workspace offers seamless tools like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, really enabling real-time collaboration. And as you're scaling, that scalability is suitable for businesses of all sizes. So Google Workspace scales easily with your growth. And then going into growth, you're going to need, security. So offering more robust security features, protecting your data and ensuring compliance and industry standards. Also, it easily integrates with various third-party applications, just further enhancing your productivity, and it's cost-effective. So there are different flexible pricing models to provide what you actually need. The difference between going through Google and us is the guided process, help every step of the way. We do all that heavy lifting for you. The customer support and a dedicated account manager, and also being a premier partner of Google, we're able to offer our clients discounted pricing. So everything you need to get work done in one place, right? So before getting into actual Google Workspace, I want to explain the difference between a free Gmail and a Google Workspace, or formerly G Suite, account or license. So the easiest comparison would be your email address. So obviously Google Workspace allows you to use a custom domain. So it would be, for example, Jackie@infiflex.com, while whenever you're using free Gmail, it's Jackie@gmail.com or infiflex@gmail.com. Another big difference too is the storage. So Google Workspace provides larger storage quotas for Gmail, your Google Drive, and other Google services compared to the free Gmail. Your productivity tools. So when you have a Google Workspace license, it includes additional productivity tools like Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and more, like Forms, whereas free Gmail primarily just focuses on the email aspect. And whenever you're utilizing Google Workspace, it offers advanced collaboration features such as shared drives, real-time collaboration, enhanced security controls for your teams and your business. With the security controls, you have admin controls in there as well, whereas with the Gmail aspect, you don't. So whenever you're talking about admin controls, you can manage your users, devices, security settings, which again, aren't available in the free version. And then you have support. So we offer support and access to Google experts, while free Gmail has limited support options. So really, overall, Google Workspace is designed for businesses, organizations that require the professional email services, collaboration tools, administrative controls for scaling, keeping your data, while the free Gmail is more suitable for personal use and just your basic email needs. So Google Workspace really evolved rapidly during the pandemic, like a lot of different, jobs and positions. So with the pandemic, everyone started working from home, and Google Workspace really helps you to achieve 4 things in that aspect. So connect, create, access, and control. You can connect from anywhere now, any device, any location, whether it's mail, meet, chat. You can share your thoughts with the team and currents, your project, or you can share your ideas via Sheets, Google Docs, Forms, create presentations with slides, sites, AppSheet, and Keeps, and you can share and collaborate again with your teammates in real time. You can access all of your data at one place from Drive, search all of your organization data via Cloud Search, and you can also control all of your organizational activities. So manage your users, going back to the admin console, devices, securing your data, and you can also implement different device policies too. So I also wanted to showcase some things you can do with Google Workspace. Some of these are pretty straightforward, so I'm just going to focus on 3 specific ones that I thought were fun and interesting. The Gmail offline is a feature that allows you to access, read, respond to, and search your Gmail messages without an internet connection. So once offline access is enabled, your Gmail stores a copy of your emails on your device, and that ensures you can work on your emails even without connectivity. So when you reconnect to the internet, your changes such as sent emails, drafts, those automatically sync with your Gmail account. And this feature is particularly useful for frequent travelers, if you're traveling all the time for business or work, and also in those areas with unreliable internet access if you're utilizing your phone. Another thing is Google Workspace Explorer. So this feature is designed to enhance productivity and efficiency by leveraging machine learning. So it provides intelligent suggestions and insights tailored to the specific user's needs. So for example, relevant documents, data analysis, content recommendations. Explorer is integrated into Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and this offers tools like quick formatting, chart creation, contextual information to help users complete their tasks more effectively. And then another thing too, your form responses and spreadsheets. These typically refer to the data collected from your Google form, right? Or a similar tool that is automatically populated into Google Sheets spreadsheet. When someone fills out and submits a form, their responses are captured in the corresponding spreadsheet. And then each form field typically corresponds to a column in the spreadsheet, making it easy to organize, analyze, and work with the collected data. And it's commonly used for, surveys, data collection, and managing submissions in a structured format. Um, so Google Workspace reimagines how businesses work by empowering teams to be faster, smarter, more collaborative. And what this means or should be considered is in the age of AI and evolution with digital products. But Google does have an amazing set of AI and machine learning baked right into Google Workspace. So you don't have to implement an entire new system or AI integration. So what that allows you to do is get a lot more done with what you're working on. So it helps basically make it fast. So suggest response and smart replies are quickest way to get started with mail. Google tells us that 20% of all the emails on Google's platform, they use Smart Reply, which means 1 in 5 emails is written with an AI suggestion. So that definitely saves you a lot of time typing out emails or responses. Make it smart. Google AI and machine learning helps us while working on sheets. So even if you don't know formulas, I don't, for calculating like sums, averages, you can click on Explore and ask Google in natural language or your own language about your data. And then make it together. So Smart Reply feature is now in Google Chat. So it makes it easier to communicate and, keeping in touch with your team. So AppSheet, I mentioned it before. This was really, fun and interesting to learn about. I had never really understood it before working with Infiflex, but so it empowers anyone to build powerful apps and automation on a unified no-code platform. So our flagship product, Jiffy, actually stands for Google Infrastructure for You. So AppSheet in Google Workspace is a no-code platform that allows users to create custom mobile and web applications without writing any code. So why is it beneficial? The ease of use. So users can actually build apps using a visual interface, so making it accessible for non-developers. So you don't have to know coding or how to develop. You didn't have to go to school for it. This system helps you. It seamlessly integrates with Google Workspace tools like Google Sheets, Forms, Drive, and you're able to create tailored solutions for unique business processes and workflows. And then going from there, you can automate tasks and processes to save time, increase your efficiency, and then the apps can scale with business growth, supporting increased user bases and your data needs. So AppSheet really empowers your business to innovate, streamline operations without the need for extensive technical resources. So for example, on how businesses use different or utilize AppSheet, field service management. So a utility company can use AppSheet to create an app for their field technicians to log maintenance activities, track equipment, checking it in and out, report issues in real time. And this improves their efficiency, communication, tracking their equipment as well. And then if you look at inventory management, so if you look at a retail store, they're going to essentially, for example, use AppSheet to create an app managing their inventory, track their stock levels, and automate their reordering process, reducing those manual errors and ensuring that they have stock available. If you look at HR, they would essentially be able to create an employee onboarding app that helps guides new hires through training materials, tasks, compliance documents. If you're onboarding, there are so many checklists you have to follow to make sure you have everything. And that just helps ensure a smooth and structured onboarding process. And if you look at, say, for example, construction, this ties into their project management. So they would be able to utilize AppSheet to create an app to track project timelines, allocate resources, monitor progress, scheduling, enabling better coordination and timely project completion. And if you think about the hospitality industry, customer feedback's like really important as well. For example, like a restaurant chain, they can develop an app to collect customer feedback, analyze trends, and address issues promptly, just further enhancing customer satisfaction and service quality. So these are just some examples how AppSheet can transform business operations across multiple industries by providing customized, efficient, and scalable solutions. And it also helps shorten the development cycle. So with Google Workspace, you're able to shorten that in many different ways. So real-time collaboration inside of Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, allowing your team members to work simultaneously together. That helps reduce delays, waiting for feedback or revisions. This goes hand in hand with seamless integration. So GWS, or Google Workspace, integrates smoothly with other tools and platforms. So streamlining your workflows and reducing time spent on manual data transfers and coordination. You have cloud-based access. So with cloud storage and access, your team members can work from anywhere, ensuring continuous progress without location-based restrictions. Version control. This is really big. This actually happened while I was working for a different company before, everything was advanced and streamlined and collaborative during the pandemic. But essentially we were revising a lot of our processes and manuals, and some of us were working on different versions. So what version control does is it's an automatic update basically to ensure everyone's working on the latest document. So it minimizes confusion, errors, having to redo things. And that ties into also automation tools. So it includes things like AppSheet, Google App Script, which allow for creation of custom apps, automation of your repetitive tasks, speeding up development processes, and to your communication. So you have various different aspects of ways to communicate. I think everyone knows the running joke. If you don't have 3 conversations with the same person and like 6 different apps, are you really even talking? So you have Gmail, Google Meet, chat. You can, talk and really streamline your communication, making it easier to coordinate, share your updates, and resolve your issues. So just by enhancing collaboration, you're really integrating seamlessly with other tools and providing powerful automation capabilities. So Google Workspace really helps businesses with their development cycles and bringing products to market faster. So again, just some real life examples: software development teams utilizing Google Workspace for project management. Collaborate in real time, design documents. You have Google Docs. You can track your progress in Google Sheets. Hold daily stand-up meetings via Google Meet. Use real-time collaboration. Definitely helps reduce, feedback loop, accelerates the entire development process. For marketing, marketing team plans and executes campaigns using Google Workspace. Brainstorm ideas in your Google Docs, create timelines, assign tasks in Google Sheets, communicate updates through Google Chat. Again, further helping collaborate and launch your campaigns faster. A design firm using Google Drive to store and share design assets, ensuring all of their team members have access to the latest version. They use Google Slides for their presentations and client feedback sessions, making it easier to incorporate changes on the fly and even in real time in front of their clients, further helping speed up the approval process and, potentially moving the closing date closer. If you look at event planning, so an event management company, they're using Google Workspace to coordinate logistics. They use Google Forms to collect attendee information, Google Sheets to manage schedules, budgets, and then Google Calendar to organize meetings, deadlines. And this is really a really comprehensive way to use the tools and help streamline planning and execution. If you look at remote team collaboration, a lot of companies are working remotely now. So a remote-first company relies on Google Workspace to keep their team connected. They use Google Meet for video conferences, Google Drive for file sharing, Docs for collaborative editing, and this setup ensures efficient communication, collaboration, regardless of team members' locations. So it just helps foster, a faster project completion. And you're also able to extend Google Workspace with your custom apps and automation. So extending Google Workspace with custom apps and automation really involves leveraging tools like Google Apps Sheet and Google Apps Script to create tailored solutions that enhance productivity and streamline workflows. So how it works, I'll start with the custom apps with App Sheet. I know it's a lot of information, so don't worry, we're recording this. I'll send it out to everyone. But so with no code development, App Sheet allows users to create custom mobile and web apps without needing to write the code. So using a simple visual interface, and then the integration with Google Workspace can pull data from Google Sheets, Forms, and other workspace tools, enabling real-time data updates and collaboration. So when you're looking at business-specific solutions, create apps for inventory management, field service tracking, customer relationship management, and more tailored to specific business needs. And then when you look at automation, when you automate workflows and repetitive tasks within the app, such as sending notifications, updating records, or generating reports. So when you look at automation with the Google Apps Script, the Google Apps Script, so with your custom script, it's a JavaScript-based platform that allows you to write custom scripts to automate your tasks within Google Workspace. So whenever you're automating your repetitive tasks, so like sending emails, updating spreadsheets, or processing form responses, this is saving time and reducing your errors. And then that goes into enhancing your functionality. So extending the capabilities of Google Workspace tools. You're doing this by creating custom functions, add-ons, and integrations with other services. And that helps the trigger-based actions. So when you set up triggers to execute scripts based on specific events, such as if they're time-based triggers, form submissions, or changes in sheets. So to give an idea or visualization, for example, an HR onboarding app. So they create an App Sheet app to manage the employee onboarding process, integrating Google Forms for collecting information and Sheets for tracking progress. And then if you look at sales reporting, you use Google Apps Script to automate the generation of sales reports by pulling data from Sheets, formatting it, and then emailing it to whoever it might be. If you look at project management, you develop a custom app sheet, project management tool that integrates with Google Calendar and Sheets to assign tasks, set deadlines, track your progress. And then if you look at the customer support, you're able to automate customer support ticket handling by using App Script to monitor a Gmail inbox. So really by extending Google Workspace with custom apps and automation, businesses can create highly efficient, customized workflows that enhance their productivity, reduce the manual effort, and streamline your operations. And this is just a visual of how it would work. So you start the day by visiting the internal portal. You can search and assess your internal assets. So what that means is product brochure, pitch deck, contract template. And then you can also see the internal self-service through Smart Chat Bot. You can auto-generate the contract with the acceptance of the signature. Coming down here, you can see your upcoming appointments. The details integrate with CRM, which we do have Jiffy CRM for this reason. So it seamlessly integrates with your Google Workspace account. Your clients would be able to sign their contract. You're able to start your appointments, schedule meetings. So that's just a visualization of everything we discussed. Again, looks great, looks super easy, super clean, and that's why it takes the right company to work with you to help get this in place for your business. So with Google Workspace's secure by design, um, and cloud native approach, it provides robust security and efficiency advantages for businesses. So I just wanted to explain a little bit about these concepts. So what secure by design, cloud native, what all of this means, it's built-in security, encryption. So your data is encrypted both in transit when it's used and at rest when it's not being utilized, ensuring your information really remains secure during transmission and storage. Access controls. So you have access controls allowing administrators to manage permissions and to further protect your sensitive data. And then you have multi-factor authentication. You can love it or you can hate it, but it enhances security with your MFA. So it requires users to verify their identity using multiple methods, and also data loss prevention. So you have tools to prevent sensitive information from being shared outside of your organization. So this really helps out with compliance. So regulatory compliance, Google Workspace meets various industry standards and regulations. So for example, GDPR, HIPAA, data protection and privacy. You have audits and certifications. So regular third-party audits and certifications demonstrate Google's commitment to maintaining high security standards. You have proactive threat protection. So what this means in terms of, so you have AI and machine learning. You have automated threat detection and response to identify and mitigate potential security risks. And then you have phishing and malware protection. So advanced security features to continuously protect users from phishing attacks and malware. So that's the secure by design part. So when you're looking at cloud native, what that means or how that translates, it helps with your scalability. So automatic scaling of your resources to meet the needs of growing businesses without manual intervention. And then you also have global infrastructure. So hosted on Google's robust global infrastructure, ensuring high availability and reliability. Then you have your accessibility piece. So anywhere, anytime access. Access Google Workspace tools from any device with an internet connection, promoting flexibility and remote work. Or if you enable your offline feature, you're able to access it offline as well. You have real-time collaboration. So your cloud-native applications, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, whichever form you're using, it's enable real-time collaboration, further enhancing your productivity and teamwork. Regular maintenance and updates. So you have automatic updates. Regular updates and patches are automatically applied. So always ensuring users always have the latest features and security improvements. And you have no local software installation. So users can access and use the applications via web browsers, eliminating the need for local installations and reducing your IT overhead. Integration, so third-party apps, so seamless integration with a wide range of third-party applications and services. So this really enhances the functionality and workflow efficiencies you're trying to create. And APIs and AppSheet. So with custom application development and automation using Google Workspace APIs and AppSheet, just keeps furthering helping enable those tailored solutions for your business needs. So to condense that down, for example, like a small business using Google Workspace can scale its operations as it grows, benefiting from the built-in security and compliance features. And if you're utilizing remote teams like we do, remote teams can collaborate in real time from different locations, different time zones, ensuring consistent productivity and access to all of the latest tools. And in terms of larger corporations or enterprise compliance, large enterprises can rely on Google Workspace's compliance with industry standards to protect its sensitive data and meet the regulatory requirements. So overall, with Google Workspace's secure by design and cloud native approach, it really ensures that businesses can operate efficiently, securely, leveraging the power of cloud technology, and to further enhance productivity and protect their data throughout their digital transformation journey. With that being said, I can open it up for Q&As. I know we have a lot of not questions, information. If you need a minute to process it, I completely understand. Um, but if anyone has any questions, please let me know. In the meantime, you can always subscribe to our newsletter. Visit infiflex.com to learn more about the services and products we have to offer. You can schedule 15 minutes with me and see how we can help you out, even if it's just to know what your options are. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn. These will be sent out to everyone who registered for the webinar. I look forward to seeing you guys next month. See you soon.